Hello. So this video is for the students that are doing the packets that Miss Lori is sending out to help them with the poetry part of the packet that I sent with Miss Lori's packet. Anyway, so part of her packet is about acrostic, haiku, and quatrain / couplet poetry, and I'm going to talk about those different kinds for the students who are doing those packets. Anyway, right now I'm going to talk about acrostic poetry. Here's the screen for acrostic poetry. Sorry, it's jumbled. Anyway, so acrostic poetry is a poem that spells out a word on the left side of the page. Like right here, it says, okay, so here's acrostic poetry about grass, and I darkened in the letters to spell the word grass, although not all acrostic poetry has the word obviously spelled out. But acrostic poetry is like this. Growing in green, roots go down in the earth, air is fresh with it, smells nice and sweet when you mow it. And you can see that it spells the word grass, and that poem is talking about grass. Here are some examples of some classic poems written by some famous poets, Edgar Allan Poe and John Keats, and you can see that they have some acrostic poetry there. John Keats wrote a poem about his sister, whose name is Georgiana Augusta Keats, and he spells out her whole name down the page. And then Edgar Allan Poe wrote a poem called Elizabeth, and he spelled the word Elizabeth down the left side of the page. And then here are some acrostic poetry poems written by students here at URHS. Hello. And then for the students that are doing the packets, this is what I'd like for you to do. So I'd like for you to write 3 to 5 acrostic poems of your own. And they can be about any topic, because poetry is about anything within the realm of human experience. But some suggestions are to do your own name, do something about nature, do something about animals, do something about happiness, or do something about sadness. But those are just suggestions. So you can do 3 to 5 acrostic poems about any subject. And that's acrostic poetry.